Well, because they're not going to be made ever again. Let's play our shitty spot. Go right.
You want me to go right?
Yeah. Right it is. I hate it.
Let me play my shitty spot. Where's the bench?
Yeah, the shittiest spot to put him is the bench.
All right. Watch this flow. Service.
Oh my god. Wow, that was really bad. That's really bad. How about that was for
That doesn't
service?
count.
No,
Yeah,
that was
just-
rally for serve.
That was for serve.
That was for serve. That was for serve.
Oh, rally for. You want to do another one?
Yeah, because there's no rally.
Okay, rally.
All right. Oh my god.
That's yours.
That's so bad. Oh my god. Don't tell me he's out.
Yeah!
Oh, no. Yeah, that's out.
Rally for serve.
Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, you know what?
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did. That was just step down.
No, that wasn't stop. I like it just.
You know, just serve.
All right, 0.
Therefore, I keep calling technicalities.
No comment. I'm playing. Or if you play, or sometimes like the better
we don't
defender have like a camera hitter, the better defender can get up on the try to be the king. You know, like, and it's not always cross. It's always just like majority of the time you're gonna cross and I'm gonna fall. If Brian is serving, Alan is serving. Okay, that was good. Serving. Hey! Hey!
That's a good spot. That's a good spot.
Huh? Huh?
I'm gonna punish you now.
That sounds gay. That sounds really sexually energized.
Obviously, Curtis has some fetishes I don't know about.
He asked Tina about
Tina!
Alright.
Joe, service. Over, over.
Oh, no.
Nice serve. There it is.
They're trying to. Yeah. I need
Service.
Fuck you, bitch. That's for sure fucking out.
I thought I had it again.
No, you didn't!
Oh, lordy, lord.
I feel it in my calves more than my thighs.
This is the same problem you have.
I'm gonna hit one of those seagulls.
Apparently my thighs are too strong.
There's a seagull behind you. I'm gonna hit it.
Okay.
Serve.
That's yours.
Walk you over.
I told
Go.
you.
Ow!
Oh, come on.
Wow, what a
I saw him stare.
Almost had
I didn't
that.
think you were gonna get it.
I gotta learn how to do
Like,
that.
Do you like,
normally I put it like here, but then I sent that one all the way to the
do you
line.
like how I knew though?
Yeah.
Service.
4-1.
Your mom. That's definitely.
That was rally for serve.
Oh my god.
Don't invalidate my dives.
I try to push down because I expect to jump, and then I hit a hit. So I
I see it.
lock out, and then I
5-1. Or 2-4.
I go.
Oh, tits. Hit, bitch. Hit me.
Yes.
Here.
Easy, easy, easy. Nice. Get up.
Yeah. Oh, it's over. It's over, Alan. Oh,
Over, go, 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 go.
shit. Go back, please.
wow, I thought you were gonna come up and set it. I was getting ready to hit.
And I'm like, fuck, if I backpedal, he's gonna kill me anyways.
On the switch.
Oh, shit, that was good, yeah.
5-2.
So on balls like that, I should just jump and hit it, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Be aggressive.
Okay.
I should. Do you want Hawaiian or do you want to do?
No, we can stay.
Service. Hawaiian means that we're on this, what we just did unintentionally. Like,
Lined up.
I'm playing on the left side over there, and when we cross, now I'm playing on the right side.
Oh.
Do you want to do that, or do you want to do like play right side? What do you prefer?
Yeah, we can just switch it up.
Perfect. Say, on this one at the third spectrum.
Okay.
That's the spot.
I was like, I thought you meant the spectrum of light.
Autistic.
Over. Yours?
Is that legal? That's clean.
Yeah! I did it.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh.
Dude, that's nasty.
Barely
Wait,
touched it.
wait.
I had it, but didn't click it.
I know he wanted to be stronger, but that was nasty.
No,
Oh my god.
it was ugly.
You gonna bunk it out. You're first. I step back.
3-5.
I can find it.
Do this for the first.
Okay.
Oh, you're off.
You're gonna let him hit. You're gonna let him hit. Out, bitch.
You're good. You're good. I can get you a good setup for that setup.
Cook! I want you to cook more.
I tried to slice it, but I got too under it.
Look, if you hit better, we're gonna get hot pot.
4-5.
Okay, give me a good set. Alright. Let's go.
You like how he wants to hit for the hot pot? Watch cross.
Oh!
Do you want to help more?
No. I was way too far away from it. I was like, I could normally
Don't
get that.
jump into it. Get underneath it.
Yeah.
Curtis, I thought that ball was about to pop your ass.
That was insane. 5-5.
Holy shit. This.
Yeah. You go.
Oh my god, get up!
Oh. Damn it.
Yo, there's no. You know, I just realized it's really low here.
It is. It's a harder time hitting outside.
Service.
Yeah.
Watch
time.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, block!
Yes!
Long at that one.
You know,
Switch.
No, I do.
Wait, no.
You did 8-6?
7. They were. Now it's 7-5. I think. We only had 5.
Service. I can't get like down here. That's your third error. I know. I keep that one more. That's a whole lap. I keep fucking up for some reason.
Yeah, you have to tell your coach to do some bullshit like that. 6-7, right?
Yeah.
Serve. Oh, wow. I'll tell you if any of your hits will qualify for a hot pot. I think. Oh!
That hit seemed pretty good.
That was
seemed pretty good.
Yeah.
That was straight C. That was a good C. That's straight line. I'll take it. Okay.
Oh, you barely got that.
I'm still here, so fuck you.
Oh, the fingertip.
God.
Oh my
Sheesh.
Most of my hits.
7-8.
7-8.
Oh, not 8.
Oh, no, 7-9. 7-9.
Oh, it is okay.
We got it.
That's it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why are you all hitting at the midline?
Because obviously we can't hit the middle. Alright, my
Sorry, I got you. 2.
Oh.
Good serve. You made it over. Got me 2 in a row over.
Yes, coach. 11-7. Service.
I got it. No. Okay, straight up here. I got you.
Yours.
I got it.
Over. Go, dump.
I got it.
Yeah.
Go back.
I have
Oh,
your-
so
I have
you.
your- I have your shorts. Hit, bitch!
Hey.
Over.
Ellen!
Why is this just so much deeper?
Maybe we should avoid hitting on the side here. There's 2 walls. Everything's 2 walls.
It's like I'm high, I move over, and I'm like, it's like a men's set over there. Oh no.
Hustle on it. I didn't think you were gonna get that one.
Can I say how much pushing happened? I clicked the back of my heels together and they fell.
Oh God.
That's why I said Alan help. My Achilles tendonitis.
Oh, you're
Is it
sick.
me?
Yeah.
8-1? Okay. Holy shit. Why is Curtis so... Oh, if Curtis is going to do that, fine. Serve. Oh, that's good.
That's too light.
Go!
Oh, that's too light. Yeah, I know, but that was also.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I was trying so hard not to move my arm.
9-11, one more to switch.
Change it.
Okay.
Yeah. Walk up. Yeah.
9-1.
Watch my approach. I don't have a good.
Just keep them high.
Service.
7-3.
Watch light.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yep. That's right.
Okay.
Yep. I'm up.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
You're there? You're
I
off.
couldn't jump in.
Thanks. Yeah, watch back. Watch line. Watch line.
Oh!
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Sorry, no.
Switch. 0-1.
I should have done the. Who are you? I should have done the intent to set me. That bullshit. Oh.
Yeah.
I'll take one.
That one jump I did, when I did it, I just lost my power.
Me half the time.
I see you. Serve. Watch your jump cover. Watch your jump cover.
Yeah, I got it. You okay?
Yeah.
Over.
Nice. Oy. Good track. Nice.
You okay?
That hill, every time I step back into it.
Sorry, I know I called you for a
Thank you
little
so much.
Thank you.
Your floor was really good. Ooh.
Put it right on me.
Yeah.
Oh, good at my pass.
You know, that kind of makes sense now with
Right here.
now
Side out.
like even pushing the ball further in the center.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
straight for the field. All right, we're tied up, right?
Yep.
One.
Serve. Go.
Nice.
Watch roll. Watch roll shot.
Oh, no. Nice. Good. Like for that pass, is it too tight? Should I keep it more off?
The one that you just did when I
Yeah.
missed?
Yeah.
No, not perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's perfect.
That's fun. 2-1. Your call. Oh my God!
Hey!
Hop on.
That's a good call.
Hoppa, hoppa.
Wow. No, that's not
Hoppa,
hop.
hoppa, hoppa.
That's not a hit.
Hoppa, hoppa. I hit the ball to make it go over.
Give me the ball. Let me hit it in space.
Oh.
Hey! Hoppa, hoppa, hoppa.
What is this?
Hoppa, clip
Someone
it.
raised the net.
What the?
The shorts.
Hoppa, clip
No,
it.
no.
Papa.
Let me be petty. I'm gonna be petty.
4-1.
Wait, 5-2.
No, we have one.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
It's
4-1.
Wow, I can't count. When there's a
Seven.
difference, it's still the same.
Yeah, outside.
You're off.
That's me, that's me, that's me, that's me.
Okay.
He's gonna set.
Oh, that's so long. You, sorry, that was so long. I gotta eat later.
I thought I had that in though, but it just kept sailing.
That was a little high and off, so I need to be kind of. Is it my serve or your serve?
Who just served?
I did.
Are you second serve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's me.
Yeah, second go.
Because I served that first one.
Would you rather have this or this? Or this?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Sure.
2-4.
4. Okay.
That starts.
Oh,
Go,
no,
go,
hit!
That starts.
Watch roll.
Yeah!
I'm right with you. Yeah.
That starts.
I have deep.
I should have put that way.
Over and in.
That's that. It's okay. Play.
Okay. We still got
Yeah. Sorry. That one was not clean.
Yeah.
This is the downfall.
You know, yeah. 3-4.
Hard. That's it.
Watch over.
Yeah. Oh shit.
It's okay. It's square.
It's okay.
Go.
Oh!
Oh!
Good hustle.
Let's go!
Good hustle. Was that first one okay? The little bait? I think it was fine.
Okay. No.
No?
It is. It's fine. Just
Oh,
take
okay.
it.
Switch.
Oh my gosh, already. I'm tired.
Me too.
Well, that sucks, bitch.
You're good. I just served. Oh, you're good.
That's what I've been doing since second, but.
Service.
Good take. Yeah. Yep. You're off.
Ow!
Damn it.
Okay.
More snap.
What's the score?
6-3.
Yeah.
Service.
I'm there.
Yeah.
Hey, they're still good.
Oh.
Hey!
Yeah, be careful 'cause of
Hop
the-
on, hop on.
Stupid.
Sorry, I should take this.
7-3.
Yeah.
Service.
Oh.
Hey! Hop on, hop on, hop on.
Thank you.
You're good.
Rage baiting Brian.
No, you're not. Oh, you want me to rage bait? You were playing the 28.
Okay. Oh
Yeah,
no.
yeah, now I'm rage baiting both of you. 8-3. Holy. We're going to increase Alex and Gert.
Service.
I got it. Yeah, straight up.
Oh,
what a
good
touch.
fucking try.
I need to cut that more apparently. Oh.
The good people are going to get that no matter what. But you're right. The type of person I would expect to get that would be Nolan.
He was there.
Good touch. Beautiful touch.
I'll get it.
My call.
Okay.
4 points.
That's it. That's it.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Out.
It's out. Yeah.
Oh, good try.
5-8. That's you, Alan.
That's it. That's it.
Watch the over. Watch line.
Yes!
Come on, right up.
I
right
go.
up.
You hit your
Nice.
button.
Let's go. Ah.
How close was it to the line?
No, we're no, it was fine.
No, not close.
No, it was. Here, this.
Oh.
It wasn't bad at all. I was like, there's only 2 options. If I give it to you, he might block you.
6-8. Right away, right?
Yeah.
6-7.
6-7 or 6-8. Oh, fuck you. Service. Draw.
Yay! Go!
I hit into net. Ay, Dios mío.
You made me shag that ball?
Ah,
I
Who are
thought you
you?
were coming close. I was like, this guy.
Hey.
Him with a deep shot.
Did you just not follow me? Or did you?
No. It was. I knew that no one was gonna be ready to cover short, so I was gonna be.
Oh. You trying to play me?
Trying to play him. 9-6.
9-6 service.
Ouch.
Hey! Hop on, hop on! Hop on, hop on!
Go, go, that's net.
Good spot.
Oh. That's a non-hop hop move.
No.
Service. I got you, I got you.
Shit. You.
Stay, stay, stay.
Oh
my God! Oh my God!
Oh my god! Yeah, that was actually
Oh, sick. Good hustle.
Holy
good hustle.
shit! That's a clip. Wow! That's a clip for sure.
Oh, why is
That's
Wait,
crazy.
wait, wait.
I've never seen that before.
Wait, question. Why is this ball really wet?
I don't
Did it
know.
hit your chest?
No? But look at me.
Wait.
Oh, it's because of Nolan. 7-0. Wait, 7-0?
7-0.
7-0.
Serve.
Okay. Michael. Yep. Back guard.
Watch the over.
Oh, fuck.
Wow.
Big break!
He did
Hop
say-
on.
We're not done. Get over here, Alan.
Oh, what?
We're not. I'm
We're
not
going to
kidding.
28 for real?
We're going to 28 for real.
Wait, can we just play another straight?
No. This is called a battle of attrition because we can still win.
No.
Yeah.
Not if I have-
I'm dedicated. I am.
CBVA training.
Alright. Push.
Service.
Or 3.
And
Oh.
I'm so sorry. Okay, you're okay. That was a good spot. I was like,
Wait, that's kind of.
sorry.
Kind of you're
I
jumping
know.
too early.
I'm like expecting to get higher. 9-1.
Yeah, of course it is.
Oh my god.
It's also legal.
Oh, no, it's out.
I was trying to be no. The jump. Too much oomph into that.
Don't shit on my chest.
What score?
0-1.
Okay.
Want to switch?
I told you it's a battle of attrition. I don't know.
Oh!
Good catch. Alright, let's go for a battle of attrition.
No. Curtis, it's not a point of view winning. It's to increase which one's in goal.
I think it's your turn.
Did you just serve?
I think it's Nolan.
Nolan. Alright. Who else?
You're
watching the hit. Curtis,
Just
hold
looking
on.
up at the two spot, like right in the middle. Let's do that just so I have more height.
2 indoors.
Yes!
Behind. Oh.
Yes, Curtis! That's the swing! Sorry, that set came off.
You're good. That's the whole point of the no pressing, right?
Yeah.
Just go straight up. Just wait for it to come.
I think you're better on the right side.
Yeah. I think it's
I
because this
feel like
side
your
is...
approach is better.
Yeah.
Versus when you're on the
3-0?
outside over there. You're
3-0.
so itchy.
Oh. No. We just
I don't know why.
Are you better?
Oh, you do it.
That's why you're
Outside too. So, I don't know.
Look, shut up and just play.
I think it's a mental issue.
To where?
He's bulky.
To where? I should have just swung on that. Yeah, I thought you were.
What's the
Alright, one
score?
more time. 4-0. 4-0.
What did we switch at?
42.
21.
Oh, wait, not 49 yet.
22.
So I'll tell you when. It's a while. Yeah.
Sorry?
Fuck you.
Oh,
That's a
good spot.
Hey, good
Yes.
guy.
That's a good spot.
Hey.
I think what I figured out for him, outdoors, you kind of have to like start moving no matter where the puck is. To get momentum in one direction. You gotta move forward or backwards.
Okay. Military. Oh yeah, that's the military. That's army, like a messenger.
Ready, service, 5-0.
A lot of seagulls.
I know, I'm afraid I'm gonna get shit on.
Oh, nice up. It's in.
Go,
That's
boy.
when you see the offense.
Four.
Oh, fuck.
He's going, run, Cornette! Good.
Oh, no.
Use it, kill it, bitch.
Oh, my God, he was there.
How the
Holy
fuck? How the
shit.
fuck did he get there? What the fuck? I thought it was wide open.
Jesus Christ, Nolan.
Oh my, I got low, but I didn't get low enough and it hit.
Imagine if he said there again.
Oh, my God. I was there with the vlog, too. You should
I know, you committed.
Yeah.
He was there. Holy shit.
Flip it.
That's
1-5.
1-5 or 1-4?
1-5. Yeah. Way to chase that.
Alright, push it.
Oh my gosh, my back, Curtis.
Yes, break their
I
asshole.
needed to turn around. Go back.
One switch. No, two switch. 22, 25.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Push it from here. I thought you hit harder. I can still do that. Okay. I got it.
My bad, that was fast.
No. We're good. You're doing great. You're carrying the puck up. No.
We're 2-5? Yeah.
All right, right here.
Yeah.
Over it. Ow.
Oh, he touched it!
Was that out? Sorry. I thought it was gonna hit the corner.
It was drifting away.
Way to go, your guy.
No, you're good.
Here, this is less
That's
handed.
a great option. They're just getting used to it now.
3-5. Yes, dude, baby.
I have to channel my inner Scarlet.
Nice spot, nice
What's the score?
No, 45.
25.
4-5.
Yeah. It's 49 total.
Sir?
Yeah.
That's it.
Good, take it.
Gotcha.
I have cross. You're on. Got it.
I got you. Good up.
Watch your back and watch. Yeah, I got it. Nice take. Watch dump. And I have mine.
Nice. Good try. Good Riley. Good ups.
Please don't shit on my face.
Let's say the fourth.
25.
Oh wait, no, not fourth. Fifth. Like the one that's right.
Sir?
Hey!
Good call, good call.
Your serve.
6-5? Yeah.
6-5.
Service.
I got it.
You're on.
Oh, I'm there.
That's right.
Just in case. Cover. Nice.
Nice. I put it too high.
Okay.
Let's go.
My bad. I gave away that option ball.
Nah, it's okay.
I tried to go over on one.
I should have tried to hit that time.
Hey, yeah. Come back right here.
Game
Right
point.
here. Point 6.
Service, Helen. Watch option. Over left.
Yeah, Curtis!
Yeah, see where he
You're
is.
fucking
Yeah.
go!
I did it.
He's him!
Holy shit. I have a ball.
Deuces!
Yeah, 7. No.
Take more goal.
More angle.
Alright, tight up.
What, you're tight?
Yes.
Yes!
Oh! You're good. You guys have ball.
You want what I wanted?
Alright, come on. We got it, right? My bad.
Oh.
I'm not going up behind.
Carry me these last 2 points. You got this.
7.
I did this to this.
1 to switch, 8-7.
Go!
Let's go, baby! What time is it? Goal time!
Fuck! He
would've been
saw
out.
me block line or block cross. That wouldn't have been out. I think no matter what, he was aiming at you.
So Curtis. Curtis.
Alright, let's go battle of attrition.
Service.
I got you. You're on. Swing. Good. That's what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. Good.
No, I don't think
Good.
you're
I love your floor.
That was just a great second.
I'm not gonna lie.
Bully!
I'm not gonna lie. That's a clip. That's a fucking real clip.
You're a bully!
Bully. Low net. That's low. I can't move.
Wait, the DL ball is so soft.
I know. Oh, it's just getting colder again.
29, 28.
But put it like a foot. Not directly, but
Give me a call.
do that.
Yeah. That's a lot better for this. Alright. Serve. Or so you thought. Or so you thought. Good.
No!
Yeah!
No!
This ball!
Fucking slid it right past my arm. Nice big boy.
He actually raised barely.
That's a clip.
That's a clip!
That's a clip.
The return! Deuces again?
Actually, they've done a return clip. Like you bounce him and then you get passed off. Which one? Yeah. Over. Alan, you can better. We have better.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Holy, what a touch.
Fucked up that one.
I was trying to send it over to you.
No, I know. I actually know what you wanted to do. But
Yeah.
I hate that no one can just do that.
Holy.
30-29 or
30-29.
30-29?
30-29.
30-29, right?
Yeah, 30-29.
Sir? Oh, you're on. Slam!
Up.
Short. He's going short.
Out.
Out.
Oh, that's it.
Fuck.
Good try. Great try.
He lost his hot shot.
I think that last swing against Alan was a good one. That's a top five.
I was gonna say, no matter what we do, we're probably gonna eat. All right, take a break. That was a full game of attrition. Good. So Curtis, on fall tournament days for like, they don't do it.
That's a lot of points.
Imagine worse quarters, semi-finals. It's actually rough on the ball. That's true. What's the tournament to do with Murray?
Dude, we didn't make it out.
Yeah. Because what did they do for a pool? Was it best of 16?
No. It was best out of 20.
Oh, no, I mean, was it the top 8 or top 16?